In this video, I want to talk about how you can claim your free stocks inside of Webull. Now keep in mind that there are different ways to get them. Sometimes it's from an affiliate link, so if your friend or someone sends you a link and you have to open that one, and sometimes you can get it when you sign up for a new account. So let me just quickly go through it. You want to make sure that you meet the requirements, which is usually you need to open and deposit some money within the offer, or you need to click on a specific affiliate link and then do this. Now, if you've done this, you want to open up the app and go to My Rewards. Inside of there, you want to find a reward and you can just press Redeem. Once you've done this, you will get your free stock, and usually keep in mind that it can take some business days to get it on your account. So just keep that in mind, but you should get it in the month that you're doing it. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.